Good morning, everyone. So, today I'd like to share with you a testimonial from another client who I will call Zara. Zara means radiance. This is not her real name, it's just an alias. So, this is December of 2018, about 2.25 years ago. Often I'll find my clients work with me over a period of time based on when issues pop up in their lives, and that is when we do sessions. It's not always consistently and regularly, every month or every week or anything like that, but this work is so powerful. You don't need many sessions. You just need to work on whatever the issues are that are bothering you, and pinpoint the areas where that is troubling you and clear that out. So Zara says Dayu is incredibly intuitive. Dayu had sent the video on emotion codes and how to use a magnet to help clear any feeling that was worrying. It was very timely because that very day I had someone visiting me in the holidays, someone I have great difficulty being with, and who I haven't seen in a long time. I tried the releasing emotion codes via magnet. It was amazing. Within literally 2 minutes of me doing it, I was cleared of all the anguish and annoyance that I had felt about this person. I felt reset. And I could cope easily with this guest in our home for 10 days. If I hadn't done it, I would never believe this, but it actually does work in giving instant release of the emotions that are sort of stuck and causing you problems and keep replaying over and over again. And this is very similar to what Nina had said about I've stopped the circular and ruminative thinking. So the things that bother you inside over and over and over and keep coming back in your mind, when you clear it with emotion codes, they don't come back anymore. And that is the big, big, big benefit and relief of doing emotion codes. I have been using this tool ever since as an additional tool to EFT and TAT. To EFT and TAT that Dayu has taught me. Now we move to January of 2019. Clearing heart wall. I knew I had a heart wall and felt that due to past hurts, I wanted to protect myself. I knew doing this exercise would help me grow spiritually and open myself for love. Doing the activation that Dayu suggested brought down the heart wall from a 65 to 50-foot heart wall. Doing the activation again reduced the level to 40. Then, clearing the heart wall with Dayu and muscle testing each of the codes that resonated with my higher self brought it down to 30 feet. On the first night after doing the heart wall clearing, I started to feel really emotional all of a sudden. I wanted my husband close, and I wanted to spend a lot of time with him. I was crying a lot that evening, although there was nothing wrong. I think it was releasing trapped emotions and opening to love. I felt very, very connected with him and my children again. As my goal is to be able to love all eventually, this was an incredible start. I find myself less reactive to other family members and more at peace. Very grateful for your help and insights, Dayu. As it's very early on, I will report additional changes over the next few months. January 2019, another testimonial. Dayu has taught me to muscle test. I find decision making hard, and this has given me a tool I can use as I become more and more confident and intuitive. It is very empowering to know what the right decision is. For example, if I was sick and I didn't know if I should go for yoga tonight, I can muscle test and see what is the best option for my body. Dayu taught me how my body will always tell me the truth. I used the sway test to decide I should go for yoga tonight. It worked. I have a long way to go trusting this and learning the proper ways, but it is an excellent tool that I would like to look more into and develop. So she's talking about muscle testing or applied kinesiology, which is what I do. I teach people how to do applied kinesiology, and one of the modalities is emotion codes. Of course, there are other modalities that you can use with applied kinesiology. Almost everything can be tested with applied kinesiology. Not almost everything, everything. Now, we then worked with Zara's son, and I will include that in another testimonial video. So thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing you in one of my workshops or a private session. And if anybody would like a complimentary 15-minute muscle testing analysis video to see how big your heart wall is, or if you have issues with other areas of your life, if you have issues with decision making, then we would check to see how big your solar plexus wall is. If you have issues with speaking up for yourself and assertiveness, we would check your throat chakra wall. So we can test to see where your problem area is and how big of a problem it is, and then go from there to schedule, or maybe you can use the workshops to clear yourself also. So there's many ways to go once you've had that complimentary session to see what you can do next to get to where you want to go. Thank you very much, and please do check out the link in the description box below for the workshop, and kindly book your tickets in advance. It is as costed or pay as you wish, so money is no deterrent. I look forward to seeing you there.